These Sandhill Cranes stopped by one day. It was a real treat seeing such big birds up close. I figured they were migrating north and saw the local ducks eating here. It looks like a mother and two young. They call the young ones colts, probably because they eat like horses. They've been here about 3 weeks now. 3 weeks and about that many bags of feed. Hey, what's going on? Yeah. Oh, you're a good-looking bird. What are you doing? Okay, just watch out for the toes, please. You got any plans of heading back north? No, just asking. No rush. If there's no food out for them when they show up, they make a racket until I put more out. You know, I'm beginning to wonder if they're ever leaving. Maybe there's a kind of Sandhill crane that stays in Florida year-round. What do you think? You that kind of Sandhill crane? Not saying, huh?